In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Canva account to HubSpot seamlessly. By linking these two powerful tools, you'll be able to streamline your design and marketing efforts, creating a more efficient workflow for your projects. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, open HubSpot. When you log in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which is your command center for managing your marketing, sales, and service tools. Now, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the search bar. Here, you'll want to type Canva. As you type, it's going to generate a list of options, and from there, locate and click on the Canva app. Now, this is where we bring Canva into the fold. On the app page, you'll find options to manage the app. What we're looking for is the Install App button. By clicking this, you're essentially telling HubSpot that you want to integrate Canva into your ecosystem. It's as simple as that, just a click to connect powerful design capabilities right within HubSpot. Once you've initiated the installation, you should see an option to Use in New Design. Select this to open a fresh canvas for your creative projects. HubSpot will prompt you to choose a template. Take your time here as you browse through the available designs. Pick one that best suits the project's needs you're currently working on. This template will be your starting point, and from here, your creativity can take over. Next, you'll need to connect your Canva account to HubSpot. Hit the Connect button to begin this process. Now you'll move forward by clicking Choose Account. It should pull up a list of your existing accounts. Select the Canva account you'd like to integrate. If you have multiple accounts, double-check to ensure you pick the correct one. After verifying your account, a checkbox will appear. It's crucial to check this box as a confirmation that you agree to the integration terms and allow HubSpot and Canva to interact with each other. This step ensures that both platforms have the permissions they need to work seamlessly together. Finally, click on Connect App. And just like that, your Canva is now successfully connected to HubSpot. You've bridged the gap between creative design and robust marketing tools, opening a new world of efficiency and potential. Moving forward, you'll be able to create designs in Canva and manage them directly through HubSpot, making this integration a powerful addition to your marketing toolkit. Congratulations on setting up this integration. Continue exploring the newfound capabilities and feel free to experiment with the varied functionalities this connection brings. Happy designing and marketing!